Hey, what's up everybody? Today I want to talk about 4 really cool alternatives to getting stitches. Stitches kind of used to be the only option to close a wound or a big laceration. Now there's all kinds of options. They've become easier and more simple to use to where you can take care of something at home that you used to go to the ER for. So 4 really cool ways to do that. Micromend. This is a really cool product, very simple to use. It's about as easy as putting on a Band-Aid. Same thing with the zits, another super easy product that can close that wound that you used to have to go to the ER for. Skin stapler. It seems a little intimidating, seems a little invasive, but again, super easy to use, very straightforward. Another one is skin glue. I use this stuff all the time, I really do. And in fact, I have some on both my thumbs right now. So there you have it. Those are 4 really cool, easy to use, simple products that you can use as an alternative to stitches. Thanks for checking out this video, guys. Stay safe, stay alive.